Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here on Who Doesn't Love Trains, here for another video. And today we're doing Season 1, Episode 2 of Tomy Train Collection. And this is 1995, I think. Yeah, 1995, Tomy. And it's Gordon, of course. And it's a very nice locomotive. Like most of these, when you buy them used, the old ones, they usually don't have their battery covers, sadly, since they weren't screwed on or anything. So it's one disadvantage there. But if you're lucky, you can find one that does have that. Then this one I got lucky. It had nice traction tires. Most of these old ones have rotting traction tires. I only have two and one this. I have one this age. This is the only one this age that has good traction tires when I bought it. And I have a feeling they were changed out. So unless you're buying it from someone who maintains these locomotives before they sell them, really like the trains and kept them looking right, but you're likely going to need to buy some traction tires. So yeah, that's one downside to these old ones, but once again, not a fault. And these are nice, high quality. Nice strong runner, as you can see. Listen to that vibration. Can you feel it? Right here where I'm holding it, you can actually feel it vibrating. And that's what. And it's a really powerful locomotive if you get it in good condition. Now I'm just going to see it run right here. Nice and fast. So I'd recommend getting one of these because once again, this is like the first release. The 1995 is the first release of Gordon in this look. They have like those 80s ones that are huge and don't quite look proportioned. But this is a beautiful looking locomotive, especially if you can find one with the battery cover and that is not yellowed. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, and see you next time.